Laying a straight line of floor tape is more art than science. It takes a keen eye, a steady hand, a strong back, and plenty of patience. But what about those really long lines? Time to leverage a little science and engineering into your next masterpiece. With the Brady ToughStripe Floor Tape Applicator. It's the one tool that can handle all of Brady's industry-leading ToughStripe tapes. Floor tape liners are collected automatically, from vinyl all the way up to our thickest ToughStripe Max. It all goes down straight and smooth. When the job is done, its lightweight body packs down and away in a snap. The Brady ToughStripe Floor Tape Applicator. Put it all on the line.